Today we're doing a grand opening for our model home in Highland Park.
This is great. Johnny's done a great job getting folks out. And yeah, we're meeting new people. We got some people interested in building.
I'm real excited about it. Get people out here and kind of show off our craftsmanship and what we're able to do with custom houses in the area.
It's amazing to be able to share this beautiful product with everyone in our community.
This house is awesome!
I think it turned out well above our expectations. With this going to be in the Albano Homes in 2020 this year, we just pulled out all the stops on this one with unique finishes and things that not a lot of other people are putting in their houses.
I would love to find a buyer for this house. It's so pretty. I love all the windows, all the views.
Love the open concept. I love the kitchen. I love the views. The views are killer.
Absolutely amazing.
This is great.
No problems with space here.
Yeah, no fighting over who goes in the shower first.
It has amazing views, and then the quality of the build, it was really nice as you walk through it.
I really like the great big windows that just really let the outside inside of the home, and yeah, the views are amazing.
It's beautiful. I would love to live here.
Awesome house.
This house is amazing. The lines, all the entertainment areas, the openness, the ceilings, the windows, and the view is incredible.
Even the basement doesn't feel like a basement. It feels like you're on a main floor. The way it's laid out is just beautiful.
I'm Coyote with the radio station 92.9 Peak FM. We come to things like this because we love getting out of the studio, for number one. Number two, this house is awesome. I know you got lots of footage of this house, but the shower, most impressive I think, probably the kitchen and the shower. And the fact that every window pretty much looks at Pikes Peak. This is a beautiful farmhouse home.
Well, I've got a house full of people with a million questions, so I gotta go. Thanks for watching.